We've been approaching the satellite thanks to the Blue Meanie. Thanks to the Explorer satellites were damaged during battle. We managed to repair some thanks to the Blue Meanie over here, and as well as a couple of electronics. Food and water ran out 4 days ago. Oxygen will run out tomorrow morning, and that will be it. You know, it's crazy to say that to die in space alone, but you know, I think it might be worth it though. So, I know that if you grovel, I just know that the craziest thing is that, like, if you, interestingly enough, if you grovel for a few minutes and then move on, it's tremendous to help you off. Please note that when I drift off, I'm gonna lie down. Please note that when I drift off, I will dream about you.